So like I have described before, so to do some changes in the Jenkins, or to do some sort of configuration changes. So let's take a simple example. If you want to do some sort of changes in your settings of your mobile, you'll click on the settings tab or the settings gear icon on your mobile, and you will go and you do the respective changes, whatever the changes that you have to do. So for every application in our DevOps tools, they do have some configurations. As the Jenkins do provide us the GUI, you can get the changes done from the GUI itself. So the management console will be looks like this, how you can see it on the right side of your image on this particular slide. So in particularly the main concepts that we'll be doing in particular manage Jenkins is, if you go to Jenkins and if you can, you will be able to see something called manage Jenkins, and when you click on the manage Jenkins, you will be able to see all the configurations that are only for the Jenkins machine. So here you can execute the CLI commands. You can, so this configure system is for the entire system. So where will be the home directory of the Jenkins, and all the sort of details will be mentioned there. So this is the security, like I mentioned in the previous session. This is used for to allow a user to give particular access. This is related to the security. This is the credentials. This is the place where you will configure the credentials and save the credentials. This is the tool configurations. So if you want to set a certain path of a certain tool, let's say for example Maven or Bash or something like that, so this is the place where you will be defining or letting the Jenkins master know that from this particular tool execute the task. And this is the if you have any previous configurations, or if you have something to copy, or if you have some configurations to just copy to take a backup or something like that, you can use this little configurations from the desk. And there comes the manage plugins, the different sort of plugins that you have, and you can install, you can uninstall, you can update, all those things you can do it from the manage plugins. While talking about the system information, it will let you know what sort of system configuration that you have for the Jenkins master. And talking about the system log, this will be helping you to identify the log of a particular machine. And talking about the statistics, it will ensure you to check the utilization, resource utilization of your builds, as well as the machine where the Jenkins has installed. There comes the manage nodes, where you will be configuring the manage, where you will be configuring the nodes, and as well as the configurations of a certain nodes. And this is all the different sort of settings that we have in this manage Jenkins. So this is how you will be managing the Jenkins and helping the Jenkins to understand what exactly it has to do and where it has to pick the tool to run the particular step. I'll see you in the next session.